Hi students, how are you? This is Nagaraj SP, lecturer in accountancy, Vishwamanava, PU College. In the previous video, we discussed about the question bank problems, that is first and second. In this video, we are going to be discussed about the third problem, that is Excellent Company Limited. Okay, the Excellent Company Limited issued 10,000 equity shares at rupees 10 each. Excellent Company ಅವರು 10,000 shares ಅನ್ನ 10 rupees ಹಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮನಿ ವಾಸ್ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ rupees 2 and allotment money rupees 3 and first and final call money rupees 5. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಪಾರ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 rupees ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 2 and allotment 3 plus 2 is 5 and first and final call money is also 5, that is 10. Okay, so equal to the face value, then it is issue of shares at par. Okay, the application money was received by the company is 12,000 shares. Offer ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 10,000 shares, but public apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 12,000. excess ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2,000 ಇದೆ. excess application money was rejected. excess application money was rejected. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ 2,000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು, ಆ 2,000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ 1 ಓವರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಮನಿ ವಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂಲಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ 1,000 shares which is held by ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನೀರಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀರಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ, 1,000 shares ಇಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮನಿನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀರಜ್ 1,000 shares ಇಂದು ಅವನ್ ಏನ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿಯಾನೆ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿಯಾನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿಯಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದೇನು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Here in the format, journal entries in the books of Excellent Company Limited. First one entry is application money received, bank account data, to share application account, number of shares ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, 10,000 ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 12,000 ತಗೋಬೇಕು? 12,000. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 10 ಬಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 12,000. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ 12,000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್. 12,000 ಇಂಟು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು, 2 rupees, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 24,000. See, after application money received, the next one is application money transfer and application money was rejected. Both we are going to be entered as a compound entry, that is share application account data to share capital. This is the transfer entry. But rejection entry, share application account data to bank. This is the rejection entry. So altogether we are going to be entered as a compound entry. See here carefully, application is 12,000. 12,000 into 2 rupees is to 24,000. See, 24,000, 12,000 into 2. In the 12,000 shares, we are going to be reject excess application money. Excess application money is 2,000. ಆ 2,000 ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. 2,000 into 2 is 4,000. In the 24,000, the 4,000 application money was refunded to the public. 24,000ರಲ್ಲಿ 4,000 ರೀಫಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು, 10,000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು 2 rupees ಹಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, 20,000. So this 20,000 amount was transferred to what account, share capital. 24,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4,000 ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ರೀಫಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ. 24,000ರಲ್ಲಿ 4,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು, 20,000. ಆ 20,000 ಯಾರು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಓವರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇಂದ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮನಿ ಡ್ಯೂ. ಶೇರ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ to share capital. Share allotment account data to share capital. Number of shares is 10,000, not 12,000. 10,000. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ 12,000 2,000 ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ 10,000. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ 10,000. ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮನಿ ಇಸ್ rupees 3. 10,000 into 3 is 30,000. So this is the due entry. After allotment money due, the next one is allotment money received. Bank account data to share allotment. Bank account data to share allotment. Amount is 30,000. After allotment money received, the next one is first and final call money due. Share first and final call account data. Share capital. 10,000 into first and final call money is rupees 5, that is 50,000. That is okay. After share first and final call due entry, the next one is receive entry. For receive entry, bank account data calls in arrears account data to share first and final. Share due is 10,000 shares. That is 10,000 into first and final call money is 5. That is 50,000. In the 10,000, the arrears is 1,000. Okay, that 1,000 is going to be held by whom? Neeraj. 5,000. The remaining received shares is 9,000. That is 9,000 into 5 is 45,000. See, 10,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1,000 arrears ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು? 9,000. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10,000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇದ್ದು ₹5ಗೆ 50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ 1,000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು ನೀರಜ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು 1,000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು ₹5ಗೆ 5,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 50,000ದಲ್ಲಿ 5,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ? 45,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ, ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ ಫರ್ಫಿಟೆಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ share first capital account data to forfeited shares account to share first and final. Share the number of arrears shares is 1,000. 1,000 shares ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Share the first and final call money is ₹5 and the face value is ₹10. 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮನಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ₹5 ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ? ನೀರಜ್ಜಿಂದ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀರಜ್ಜಿಂದ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿಲಿ ₹5 ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವನಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ? ₹5. ಸೊ 10,000 into 10 is 10,000. 1,000 into 5 is 5,000. 1000 into 5 is 5000. This is the forfeited entry. Okay. After forfeited entry, the next one is reissue entry. That is, forfeited shares are going to be reissued at discount. For that, recording the entries, bank account data, forfeited shares account data, to share capital. That is 1000 into face value 10 and 1000 into reissued value rupees 8 and discount is 2. That is 1000 into 8 is 8000 and 1000 into 2 is 2000 and 1000 into 10 is 10,000. This is the reissue entry, and after reissue entry the surplus money was transferred to capital reserve. Forfeited shares account data, capital reserves. Here the paid up value 5000 and the discount value 2000. 5000 minus 2000. If forfeited ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5000 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ forfeited ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2000 ಇದೆ. ಈ forfeited discount 2000 expenses, ಈ forfeited 5000 income. 5000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು 3000. ಈ 3000 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. First one is the receive entry. After receiving the application money was transferred to capital, and application money was transferred and application money was rejected. After application money stage, the next one stage is allotment stage. Allotment money due and allotment money received. After allotment stage, the next one is first and final call money due and first and final call money received. In the first and final call money received, 10,000 shares ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1000 shares ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ? 9000 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮನಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ, ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫರ್ಫೇಟೆಡ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. ಫರ್ಫೇಟೆಡ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು? 1000. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರಜಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು 1000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು, ಆ 1000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಬರ್ದಲೇ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ 1000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ? ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ? ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 2 ರೂಪೀಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನ 8 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ನಾವು ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ surplus money transferred to what account? Forfeited shares account data to capital reserves. So 5000 minus 2000 is 3000. So this is all about the excellent company limited. Okay, the next one problem is a company limited registered capital of rupees 5 lakh divided into equity shares of rupees 10 each. See here, the A company limited is going to have the registered capital of rupees 5 lakh. Registered capital nothing but authorized capital. The authorized capital of the company is 5 lakh and the face value of the shares is 10. Okay, 5 lakh divided by 10 is the number of shares is 50,000. Okay, in that 50,000 the company issued for the public for only 40,000 shares. Okay, 50,000 permission idru kuda ಕಂಪನಿ ಇವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಗೆ? 40,000 shares. Okay, after issuing the 40,000, the amount is going to be collected by the company in the forms of application rupees 2 and allotment rupees 5 and first and final call rupees 3. Okay, that is it is related to issue of shares at par. Why? Because application 2 and allotment 5, 2 plus 5 is 7 and first and final call is 3, that is 10. Okay, the value of the shares and the face value is going to be equal, that is 10 each. Okay, so that is issue of shares at par. Okay, all the shares were subscribed and money duly received except the 2000 shares on first and final call. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ 2000 shares on first and final call. So after due in the case of the first and final call, the 2000 shares is going to be forfeited by the directors and 2000 shares is going to be reissued at rupees 8 rupees each. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ 8 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಓಕೆ, so pass the journal entries in the books of A Company Limited. So let us we have the format journal entries in the books of A Company Limited. So let us we start the entry. Okay, in the first one entry is application money received, bank account data, to share application account, bank account data to share application account. The number of shares is 40,000 and application money is rupees 2, that is 80,000. After receiving the application money was transferred to share capital, that is share application account data to share capital amount $80,000. After application stage, the next one entry is allotment stage. Okay, the allotment money due. Okay, the entry is share allotment account data to share capital. Share allotment account data to share capital. Number of shares is 40,000 and allotment money is rupees 5. That is $2 lakh. Okay, after allotment money due, the next one is allotment money received. Allotment money received entry is bank account data to share allotment. That is 2 lakh. After allotment stage, the next stage is call stage. That is first and final call. Due entry is share first and final call account data share capital, that is 40,000 into 3. Okay, that is 1,90,000. See here, the due entry is share first and final call account data to share capital for 40,000. The first and final call money is rupees 3, that is 1,20,000. You have to receive the 1,20,000 money on first and final call, but we received the money except 2,000 shares on first and final call. That is, we received only for 38,000. receive entry is bank account data, constant arrears account data to share first and final. See, first and final color is 40,000 shares. So you have to write the 40,000 into 3. In the 40,000, the due shares is 2,000. That is 2,000 into 3. Okay. In the 40,000, the due shares is 2,000 and the received shares is 38,000. See, 40,000ದಲ್ಲಿ 2,000 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು? 38,000. ಸೊ 40,000 into 3 is 1,20,000. 2,000 into 3 is 6,000 and 38,000 into 3 is 1,14,000. So this is the receive entry in respect of first and final call. After receive entry of first and final call, the next stage is forfeited entry. The forfeited entry is share capital account data, to forfeited shares account, to share first and final call. This is the forfeited entry. Share capital account data to forfeited shares account to share first and final call. The number of forfeited shares is 2,000. You have to take the 2,000, not the 40,000. Why? Because the arrears is 2,000 only. 2,000 arrears ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ 2,000 arrears ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ shares ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Okay. So 2,000 into face value is 10. Okay. And 2,000 into first and final call money is 3. Okay. Then forfeited ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Paid up value 7. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ದಲೇ ಇರೋದು ಏನು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್. ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ದಲೇ ಇರೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? 3. 10 rupees ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 rupees ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿಯಾನೆ? 7. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 5. 5 + 2 7. ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡದಲೇ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್. ಓಕೆ. ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 2,000 into 10 is 20,000. 2,000 into 7 is 14,000. 2,000 into 3 is 6,000. This is the forfeited entry. After making the forfeiture, the next one is reissue. The reissue entry is bank account data, forfeited shares account data, to share capital. Bank account data, forfeited shares account data to share capital. Share 10 rupees face value ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? 8 rupees, isn't it? So 2,000 into 8. Share capital ಅಲ್ಲಿ face value 2,000 into 10. Okay, 10 rupees ಇರೋದನ್ನ 8 rupees ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 rupees ಏನಿದೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ forfeited shares ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 rupees. 2,000 into 8 is 16,000. 2,000 into 2 is 4,000. And 2,000 into 10 is 20,000. This is the reissue. After making reissue, the next one is surplus money transferred to capital reserves. This paid up value 14,000 and this discount value 4,000 is to be deducted each. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 14,000ದಲ್ಲಿ 4,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಆ 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮನಿ. ಆ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮನಿನ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್. ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮನಿ ಇಂಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್, ದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ forfeited shares account data to capital reserves. Forfeited shares account data to capital reserves. 14,000 minus 4,000, that is 10,000. So this is the entries related to A company limited. So here first one is receive entry, second one is transfer entry. Next, after application stage, the next one is the allotment stage. In the allotment stage, the allotment money due and allotment money received. After allotment stage, the next one is first and final call. The first and final call money due entry and first and final call money received. In the first and final call money receive entry, we mentioned the arrears. After mentioning the arrears shares is going to be forfeited by the directors of the company. That is 2,000 shares is going to be forfeited. After making the forfeited of the 2,000 shares, the same 2,000 shares is going to be reissued to the public for rupees 8. Okay, this is the reissue entry. Okay, in the process of reissuing, there is a certain expenses which is going to be incurred by the company, that is 4,000. In the income, there is a expenses. Okay, 14,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ income ಅಲ್ಲಿ expenses 4,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಷ್ಟು 10,000. That 10,000 money is going to be transferred to what? Capital reserves. Okay, the 10,000 is going to be transferred to capital reserves. So forfeited shares account data to capital reserves amount is 10,000. So this is all about the A company limited, and remaining problems we are going to be discussed in the next classes. Okay, thank you.